pounds becomes 500 pounds on the basis of that story. If you can get papers from the Victory, from maritime historians saying, yes, we can guarantee these when the shipping came out in 1930,
Yes.
you have then got something hugely budget. I would say 10 times that, 10,000 pounds. Because
Okay.
There's a Michael Campbell who's really interested in this, and he's off to see the curator. Nail it. Julie Specialist John Benjamin
Not big again, eh? Right, son. There you go.